We know using diet to control cholesterol plays a big role in managing levels successfully. Now here's news on just what you need to be eating. Cholesterol-lowering choices such as soy, nuts and plant-based options might be better at bringing down cholesterol than the traditional low-fat eating plan. This comes from a brand new study that found that those suffering from high cholesterol and followed what's been termed the portfolio diet, a selection of foods that lower cholesterol, brought down their bad cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein or LDL, by almost 13% after 6 months of sticking to the diet. This compares to a 3% drop in LDL for those who stuck to a diet that was low in saturated fats. We know that as those cholesterol numbers go up, so does the risk of dangerous disease, especially heart disease. Experts used to think that most of us couldn't alter our cholesterol numbers with diet alone, but that belief is changing quickly. When it comes to the portfolio diet, experts suggest you think of the eating plan not as a diet, but rather more like an investment in cholesterol-lowering foods. Just like you wouldn't put all your savings in one stock, don't bet your health on a single healthy food, choose lots of good-for-you options. The researchers took a look at the portfolio diet and compared it to the traditional low-fat eating plan in 351 subjects who had high cholesterol. The participants were split into 3 groups. The first got 2 sessions of counseling on the portfolio diet, a second group had a more intensive 7 sessions of counseling, and the third followed the more common low-fat diet. Both the regular and intensive counseled portfolio diet groups saw a drop in their LDL cholesterol of almost 13%, as compared to a mere 3% reduction for those subjects following a low-fat diet. Since heart disease is such a well-known killer, experts believe that many people can benefit by adopting this eating plan. If you're being urged to start on a statin drug by your doctor, it may be even more important for you to give this eating plan a try first, giving you a chance to avoid a prescription medication and its side effects, and work with nature to help the body stay well. Have the discussion with your doctor to see what best suits your needs. Research has shown that adding plant-based foods to the diet can give you very nearly the same drop in bad cholesterol as you'd achieve with a prescription medicine. What's also interesting is the 3 monthly counseling session was almost as effective as going every month for counseling. The fact that the results came after so few sessions is surprising and encouraging. So just what is the portfolio diet? It's an eating plan made up of 4 kinds of foods that have been recognized by the Food and Drug Administration as having an ability to bring down cholesterol levels. The 4 are: 1. Soy protein. Substitute meat for soy-based protein. Try soy burgers, hot dogs or cold meats. Soy milk and soybeans, edamame, are other good choices. 2. Sticky fiber, oats, barley or psyllium husks, 3 servings per day, or choose veggies like eggplant, aubergine, and okra. 3. Plant sterile esters. Instead of butter or margarine, use plant-based margarine. Brands in the US are Benical and Take Control. You can also get these nutrients in capsules as a dietary supplement. 4. Nuts. Tree nuts like almonds or walnuts, even peanuts, are also part of the plan. Just a small handful a day will do. At the link in the description of this video, you can learn how to completely clean out the plaque buildup in your arteries, drop your cholesterol to a healthy level, and boost your physical and mental energy to levels you didn't think possible. All by cutting out just one hidden ingredient you didn't even know you were consuming. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded.